Let's be honest, people don't buy because your product looks nice. They buy because they trust you. And online trust isn't automatic. You have to build it step by step. When I started managing business profiles, one thing was clear. Most business owners don't have a marketing problem. They have a trust problem. You can post every day, but if people don't trust you, you're just decorating the internet. Here's how to fix that. Step 1. Show your face or team. People buy from people, not logos. Even one real photo can make your brand feel human. Step 2. Collect and show reviews. Happy customers are your best marketers. Screenshot their feedback, reply to reviews, show you care. Step 3. Be consistent. You can't post once in January and expect results in March. Trust grows with consistency. The more people see you, the more they believe you're legit. Step 4. Optimize your Google business profile. When people search for you, they should see something professional. Photos, location, reviews, updates. That's your first impression online. Step 5. Be transparent. If something goes wrong, own it. Apologize, fix it, move on. That's how you turn a bad moment into long-term trust. Trust isn't built overnight. It's like saving money. Every post, every reply, every review adds up. One day that trust will start paying you back. So before you run ads or chase followers, make sure your foundation is solid. Because no one buys from who they don't trust. If you're serious about growing your business visibility and getting customers to trust you online, start with your Google profile reviews and consistency. That's your real marketing.